Okay, we've really made a point of creating WP Scratch Card to be as user-friendly as possible, and so it can be as effective as possible for you. To upload the plugin, very quick, you just go to Plugins, Add New, and we'll just upload the plugin. Now, I'm going to upload the Pro version here, so let me just jump over here, and I'm going to upload this, the developer version. There's just a few differences between the basic and the Pro version, which I will show you once we get in here. So let's activate this. Now, once the Scratch Card plugin is activated, you'll see over here you get a new option here, Scratch Cards. So let's just click on there. Right now there's no Scratch Card, so I can just go Add New, and let me just give this new Scratch Card a name. Okay, so we've got a scratch card example for the video. This is going to come, each scratch card when you first create it is going to be given a short code. Now this can be placed anywhere on any page or post of your WordPress site, and your created scratch card is going to show. We've got a default, so there's a default win. Okay, so if you look here, you can see there's a default win, and there's a default lose. Okay, so those images are going to be in there ready to use out of the box. You can also upload different images. So let's say I wanted to change these images. I can just go upload. Let me go into my media library because I do have some that I've already created. So let's choose that one. Make sure it's full size, 525 by 700 pixels, 72 dpi. Now you can obviously create your own designs and upload them. So it's really is, we've tried to make it as flexible as possible. You're not stuck to just the designs that we've created. You can put anything at all on here. So I go insert into post, and then I'll upload the losing version of that one. So here we go, Scratch Card Gold Lose. So let's show that and insert that one into the post. You've also got a Scratch Design area. Okay, so let me just update this, and you'll see it reflected there. See, it reflects what we've got there. You can also change the Scratch area design. So again, let me jump in here. Now the key thing to remember here with the scratch area is it needs to be a transparent PNG. It must be a .png with a transparent background. So let me insert this in there, and again, if I update, we've now got our star overlay. Okay, so we've got a winning card, a losing card, and then the overlay image, and you have absolute liberty to upload those in any way that you want to. You then have the scratch card behavior. Now you can have the cards open in a new window. Okay, so you can have when someone wins or loses, you can redirect them to a new window or a tab, or you can open a light box. Now let me show you a new window or a tab first. Okay, let me just get a URL that I can use here. And so if I pop in a winning page there, so if someone wins, they can click after they've scratched everything off, and it's going to take them to this page. It's going to open in a new window or a tab. You can also have it open in the same window should you want to. Okay, and then with the losing card, let's choose a light box. Now if you choose light box, it's going to give you this light box the area here, so the light box content. Again, this can be anything at all, so I'm going to just grab some HTML. You can put images in here, you can put links in here, etc. I'm going to just go straight to the HTML, and I'm going to drop that in and submit that. Okay, you then have frequency and ratio. Okay, so you can have lose win behavior be completely random, or you can have it ratio based, so 10%, 90%, 20%, 80%, etc. Now obviously this is going to be kind of determined according to an algorithm, so it's not absolute, okay, but you can choose random or ratio based, and then you can choose how often you want people to be able to play. So if you wanted, for example, someone to be able to use the scratch a card, but you didn't want them to be able to try again, say for another 24 hours, you can pop that in here, and then it will again open a area like this that you can put a message in that basically says, you know, come back in 24 hours to try again. Now, I'm not going to do that right now, but just so you know, you can actually determine that people can only play once, and then you can have the amount of hours between plays that they're allowed. Now, both versions have this as well, the HTML embed. Basically, you can just copy and paste this onto any basic HTML page. Okay, so say, for example, you've got another website, or part of your website is just straight HTML pages. It's just a flat website, not a WordPress site. You can actually create your card in your WordPress install and then embed it on any site. So for example, if you're using a developer version and you wanted control over all of the cards that you create, you can simply embed these cards directly onto your client sites without even uploading a plugin. So again, that's just another great option for you. You then have Pro features. Okay, now these features are only available in the developer version, and you can include share buttons. Okay, so let's say I want to include the share buttons. Okay, and again, you can have it on both or either. Okay, I'm not going to have share buttons on the losing card for now, but I do want share buttons on the winning card. I'm going to just have a share message saying I'm a winner. I'm a winner. Have a go yourself. You can then choose to have a share image. So you can share, when someone shares this, it can share any image that you want to. Right now, I'm just going to share the gold winning card. So let me just choose that, and again, just insert that in there. This is the image that's going to show on the Facebook wall, for example. You can then choose a share URL. Now, if you leave this blank, it's going to basically lead people directly back to your scratch card page wherever you've got this installed, okay? But you can choose to send them to any page at all. All right, now once you've got that, again, just let me stress that these features are pro features. Okay, they're only available in the developer version. So if you would want this kind of functionality to potentially add some viral juice to your scratch card installs, do choose to upgrade, and this will be available to you. Now let's go and just create and update this. And that's saved all of those settings for us. And then we have this scratch card ID. Okay, now you can, like I say, you can drop that on any page. But let's say we go to an example scratch card page that I've created here. And when you've got the scratch card plugin installed, you'll have this little icon here. You can simply click anywhere on your page, go insert scratch card. If you've got several scratch cards, it will have a drop down of all the scratch cards that you can choose from. Equally, you can just drop the short code in here that I showed you a moment ago, and you just click insert. Okay, now let's just put that in the center of the page. We'll make it a landing page, and let's hide the title. Update that page. Now, obviously, this is going to work on any WordPress install on any theme. And then if we view this page, okay, and there is the scratch card that we've created. This scratch card is going to show on any device, so it's going to resize according to the size of your device, as you can see. Okay. and so it's going to be fine on phones, it's going to be fine on iPads, and actually will scratch off with someone's finger. Now, do be aware it's quite graphic intensive, so on some older phones it may not be as smooth as on some of the more modern phones, but pretty much all of the devices that we've tried it on, it's worked really well. Now, as you can see, now someone comes to the page and they're able to now scratch this card off. Okay, so we've got a losing card here. Once about 80% has been scratched off, it will auto complete for you, and then it says sorry, you did not win this time. This can be any message that you want. You could have sorry, but click here for a surprise. That's the message that we've got on most of the cards that we've created. They then click there and you can see it brings up the light box. You did not win this time, but I do have a surprise for you. Complete your email below to get a free copy of 77 Secrets. Okay, so a great way for us to just begin building our email list, for example. Now, this could be any message at all. It could be a promotional code. It could be so click here to download a PDF if you were giving someone, say for example, a some kind of voucher to use in a restaurant or whatever. It can be anything at all. Okay, now let me refresh this, and let's get a winning card up here. We've got it on random at the moment. Okay, so here we've got a winning card. Okay, so we've got our winning card, and then because we've got the pro features, it says why not share this with your friends before collecting your prize. Now let me show you what happens by sharing it, for example, to Facebook. Let me just do that for you right now. Okay, so if I click on let's share to Facebook, it's going to open a share page for us. I'm a winner, have a go yourself. You know, it encourages people to say something. So if I say, you know, wow, I just won a prize, and then we go share link. And it shared it. Again, you can do the same with Twitter, okay, etc., etc. All right. Now, if I now look on my Facebook timeline here, as you can see, wow, I just won a prize. I'm a winner. Have a go yourself. Someone discovering this would click on that, and it's going to redirect them back to this scratch and win page. So immediately the person who's won, obviously they're excited, they want to share it with friends. You can encourage them to do so, and you're going to bring viral traffic back from people's Facebook wall. Okay, so again, just one of the great pro features that's available as an added bonus and an added benefit of the developer version should you want to upgrade and put that to use. Okay, and then when they click to collect, it takes them to that page that we specified. Again, it can be anything at all, or it could have been a light box. You can work it whichever way you want. So there you go. That's pretty much how WP Scratch Card works. I'm sure you can see many ways in which you can utilize it in your own online business, in the businesses that you work with, whether it be local bricks and mortar businesses and utilizing it on their websites and creating some viral buzz for them, competitions, promos, etc. Whether you're an author, you know, one of the ways in which authors could use this, you could offer people, you know, few chapters of your new book or a free book or something like that. Internet marketers, you could offer people a report and just get people to engage in a really fun and easy way with your content online, and just really see you know, that traffic increase and engagement increase. So that's WP Scratch Card. If it's something that you can see a use for, which I'm sure you can, just scroll down, hit the buy button, and you can get it just really, really cheap right now. So yeah, enjoy.